We are launching a new product called Jivan Vaibhav. It's a product with various benefits. It has multiple benefits. It has the benefit of risk cover. It has the benefit of value addition. It has the benefit of easy liquidity. So these are three very important things that any customer would look forward. As far as risk cover is concerned, it covers our risk will be double the premium, more than double the premium that the customer would pay. We have minimum sum assured here. It starts from 2 lakh rupees. So the risk cover starts from minimum risk cover starts from 2 lakh rupees, and the minimum age at entry is 8 years only, and the maximum age at entry is 65 years. That means we have a large range of age group where this product can be sold. That is from the age of 8 to age of 65. As far as maturity is concerned, this product has a term of 10 years. It's a short-term policy. That is what was a demand. That is what our survey said. There is a lot of need for a short-term policy for 10 years. So the maturity will be after 10 years, where the sum assured is guaranteed. I mean, the maturity amount is guaranteed with loyalty addition, which will depend on the experience of the corporation. And as far as liquidity otherwise is concerned, after 1 year, there is a provision for giving loan. So the customer, if there is any immediate urgency for getting money, he can avail a loan and get 65% of the premium that has been paid as loan. So that is a wonderful benefit which is available. Money can be received from the corporation anytime the customer would look for after 1 year. So all these multiple benefits makes this product a great product, and it will be for the need, the requirement for anybody like a youngster looking forward for a return after 10 years. He can invest in it. He will get the risk cover and investment. A parent looking for the child's education, parent looking for the marriage of the daughter, all that can be made through this product. Plus, a grandparent also can gift it to the grandchild for the benefit of the grandchild. This product can meet that requirement of the customer. So this multiple benefits makes this product a great product, and I am sure many of our customers will automatically opt for it as a second policy or a third policy or whatever number it may be. But I hope it will meet the requirements of all the groups of people that they have been looking.